how to make money on Freelancer as a Pinterest virtual assistant. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner or a visitor coming to this platform to search or to hire a Pinterest virtual assistant, I will just go to hire freelancers button in here. Then I will click on skill categories. Then you will be able to see all of the skills that are available in here. So just wait for it to load. And here it is. You can see all of the skills available in here under the categories. So let's go past the website's IT category. And here we have the writing and content category. It's not what you're looking forward to. Design as well. And here we have data category, engineering, sales and marketing. I think we can find a Pinterest virtual assistant in here. Let's just scroll down to see what we can find. Let's go to P. We have podcast, PPC marketing, product marketing. So we have nothing here about Pinterest, I think. We have just TikTok ads, payroll, podcast. Let's scroll down to see if we can find another category that can have something like Pinterest virtual assistant. It's not the business category for sure, and it's not the sourcing or the translation, trades or services. Let's see what we have in here. Baking, car, financial, general, here, installation, landscape design, yoga, welding, workshops, visa, solar security, printer repair, plumbing, piping, pest control, painting. And let's scroll down to see we have here freelance, healthcare, investigation, odd jobs, pickup, surveillance, virtual assistant. We can go with virtual assistant as a whole, and we can see the freelancers in here. As you can see, hire expert virtual assistants for any job, and by scrolling down you will be able to see their profiles. And here click on see more virtual assistants. We have 479 showing results, and if we removed online users we will be able to see more than that. So let's see how much we can find now. So now we have 100,000, more than 100,000 results. And the first one showing is this Saliba. He's from Canada. So let's check his profile. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this one, where you're going to showcase your skill. And his name is Jihad. I'm also going to show you how you can add a profile picture to your profile, how to add a cover photo, how to add your description, where you're going to talk about your skills and where did you study, your experience, and how many years of experience you have in this skill. Also, I'm going to show you how you can add your hourly rate and how to have all of these verifications in check. They're very important. They add more trust and credibility to your profile. After that, I'm going to show you how you can add your portfolio as well. It's where people can see, where clients can see the kind of work you deliver and the services you can deliver. Then if they like your work, they can hire you. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can start creating your profile. So here, click on Freelancer and wait for it to load, and click on Earn Money Freelancing. Then you will proceed to creating your account, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then click on Join Freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password. Then click on Login. And here give it a few seconds to redirect you to your dashboard. It's where you can control everything about your profile. So here, go to your top right. And this is where you can control everything about your account, from your account to your finances as well. So let's go to view profile in here. And as you can see, the profile looks pretty empty. We need to make a lot of adjustments to it. So let's start by clicking on edit profile to be able to add your profile picture. So make sure to add one, it's very important. No client would like to work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. Then upload a cover photo as well. It adds a little bit of professionalism to your profile. Then you proceed to the verifications. As I said in the beginning, they are very important when it comes to credibility. So first, start by joining the elite group of the best freelancers. Then verify your identity through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Verify your payment method and your phone number, and connect your Facebook account as well. Then you proceed to enter in your hourly rate in here and your professional headline, and then enter your summary too. It's where you're going to talk about yourself, talk about your skills, the years of experience you have, and those stuff. Then you proceed to add in your skills. So here you can add up to 20 skills. So let's remove this one, and let's go in here, and let's go with virtual assistant. We have this one, virtual assistant. You can add it in here, then scroll down and click on save to save those changes, and then you proceed to add in your portfolio as well. It's important when it comes to hiring you. You need to give clients something to look at. Then when you're done with making all of these adjustments, then you proceed to browse in here, click on projects. It's where you can find all of the posted jobs that you can apply for. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.